Wake up, dude. You only have 20 minutes to eat and log in. Good morning. Well, good morning, first of all. A little bit of transparency this morning. Liam was running late because I went to bed so late and I'm so burnt out that I woke up on time, but I fell asleep on the couch when I woke up. So he was late for school. Super tired. I woke up at 6 to wake up Princeton, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna sit down on the couch. I'm gonna pray. Passed out. Now I need to start editing day 3 vlog. Hopefully it's good. And then I have to go to work because somebody booked last minute. Devin is gonna stretch and yawn about 100 times before the morning is over with. Marley Party. Marley! Dude, look at our backyard. It's disgusting.
That's all him. He probably was in it too.
Dude, I'm serious. I think he ran away. It's a Marley Party! He's so cute. He's not dirty. Hey, you Mama Maud. Hi, Mama Maud. This is the situation, right? So our neighbor was cutting our grass and broke this glass, right, to our door. So I got a wreath and I thought, oh, this would be cute to cover it up for now, because we have to get a whole new door. So anytime your glass breaks on your door, just know you're not replacing the glass, you're gonna actually replace the entire door. So that's a lot more math than what I thought, and we have to weatherproof it. So anyways, I'm explaining why we don't have a new door yet, okay? But I came to tell y'all, I got a wreath to cover it because I think it'd be cute at Target, because you know, I buy everything from Target. Y'all, this thing drips green dye all over the place from the condensation. And not only that, from the condensation, it is molding. This is freaking disgusting. Do not buy wreaths from Target. So breakfast is gonna be these simple morning blueberry streusel muffins. They're so good. Whip it, Dad, whip it. Whip it, baby. Whip it right. Whip it, baby. Whip it on it. What you want?
Muffins.
Muffins?
Yeah.
Here.
But they're not hot right now. I want them.
I'm done.
I'm gonna like.
Stop acting funny over there, Lavender. You mommy's girl. It's shining bright. So make a wish and hold on tight. Here you go.
Thank you. Coffee makes me cough.
Coffee makes you cough.
Yeah, but I still like that.
You still like it?
Yeah.
So I just ordered our I just ordered our clothes. You got me over here questioning what the hell I'm saying. Leave me alone, man. I just ordered our clothes from H&M for our family, for our Christmas photo shoot. I hope that this comes in time. If this comes after Christmas, you best believe H&M is getting every bit of clothing back. I'm not about to play. Because they talking about 15 days. What's that? Girl, ain't nobody... She just ate the sugar. Congratulations on your world's best cup of coffee. Where's that from?
Don't know. Candy cane. Candy corn.
And syrup. That is Christmas trivia for y'all. If y'all can answer that, y'all win. If y'all ever come in, or if you ever come in, and I am taking a nap like this. Oh.
Did you just fart? What is it?
No, I laid down on the muffin. My hair is full of streusel now. But if I ever
Slow.
if I ever.
Is it 22 days till Christmas?
Well, 21.
21 now. So what that means?
Yeah, they switch it.
Oh, Christmas list. I'm saying it now. When I'm expecting for Christmas, is bond number 9, Madison Avenue, or a Dyson blow dryer, or a vanity, or what else I asked for? Honestly, that's all I really want. Like, I'm a simple person. I have really bad neck and back issues because of the work that I do, so Devin's helping loosen it up before I go to work. And Maverick, where do y'all think Maverick's at? In the fridge. All right, y'all. So I'm on my way to work. Trying to back out precisely. It's such a beautiful day today. The sun's out and everything. I got my chocolate gladiator with peanut butter from Smoothie King. And that is what I'm going to eat for lunch.
Look at her. Crazy girl. What you doing? Tell me what she thinks she's doing, y'all. Lola, hit a note. 6-man baby. I'm doing a hook to it right now. You like the beat?
All right, y'all, so I'm fresh off of work. Today was a really short day, but you know what? It's all G. Whatever. We have days like that, especially around the holidays. I don't know what's up with like the holidays and people canceling and, you know, whatever. I understand people have, you know, other expenses and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm at my favorite place, the Salad Station, which is like seriously my favorite place ever. And I just left Palace Nutrition for an Herbalife drink. So good. Let me show you what I got from Salad Station. I got crawfish queso soup, which is crawfish potatoes, and it's like a cream-based soup. It's so good. And then I got one of my favorite salads ever. Like, so Salad Station, basically you make all of your salads by yourself, you know. So I always get this salad. Let me show y'all. So there's quinoa, a little bit of quinoa, romaine lettuce, olives, tomatoes, red onion, feta, cucumbers, and I like to pair it with like an Italian dressing. So bomb. Now I'm going to the beauty supply store, Salon Centric, so that I can get one of my clients. They're getting color tomorrow, so I need to get her color.
Is it 12 right there, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. And then the matrix, I need,
I just got some color for my client. I cannot wait. She's going to be a multi-dimensional blonde. I'm looking forward to doing something fun like that. I love when my clients want color. I'm going home. I probably should just eat in the parking lot. That's what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to eat in the parking lot. I just don't have time for this. So I'm about to call Devin, tell him I'm eating in the parking lot if he's not going to work. So Devin's not going to go to work today because I have to get some vlogging done. And I also need to edit as well. I'm gonna try to make today as productive as possible. Y'all, let me tell y'all about this because a lot of people don't know, but I do hair professionally and I've been licensed since 2007. I've been doing this, y'all, but I took a long break once I had Liam and I stopped doing hair for a long time. Then I started really focusing on doing natural hair. So now all I do is natural hair. So anyway, I love doing hair. Like, that is what makes me happy, right? But what I'm about to say is going to be really complex to a lot of people because a lot of people think that just because you do what you love, that it doesn't feel like work. That is a lie. I love what I do so much that I wish I didn't have to do it for a living. Because when you depend on it to get you money to live, it becomes almost like a task. Because you have to get enough to live. Does that make sense? I hope somebody out there understands me. So anyways, I say all that to say, a lot of the times I question if I want to do this anymore, if I want to do hair, because I love it so much I could do it for a hobby. I don't want to do hair for a living. Come on, Maverick. Sing happy birthday to Chip. Come right here. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday.
Start it all over again. Sound happy. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Smiles and I want it upbeat.
Smile.
What?
Do normal face. Just smile, please. I want to.
Come on. Liam. Liam. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chip. Happy birthday to you. And anymore. Wee.
I am starting to put up the Christmas tree. Had to go in the attic and get it. Have the pieces. We have ornaments and stuff. So Lav is helping me. Lavender, what you doing? So once I get this finished, we are going to show you guys. Alright, you guys, so we got the tree semi-finished. I feel like it needs some white in it, so we're probably gonna go buy some white ornaments tomorrow. But I like how it's coming out so far. Alright, so after we put up this Christmas tree, I decided that I wanted to make the kids waffles and bacon. Some bacon. Alright. And I made some waffle batter from scratch. Look at that. Nice and thick. Hold on.
Okay.
Nice and thick. Let's show look. Yeah. From scratch. Man, all from the brain. I ain't look up no recipes either. Guys, no lie. My waffles are fire. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. Oh, look at this. Look at that, bro. I'm telling you. I'm talking fire. And they taste good.
Me and Lav are eating the best popcorn ever. Let me show y'all. Safe and Fair dark chocolatey drizzled popcorn. Thank me later. The birthday cake is even better. That's the granola that I was talking about at Target in my last vlog. It's the same brand. They have the best drizzled popcorn flavors. Oh my God.
I was trying to help and he declined me.
What?
I wanted to help him, but he declined me.
Why?
Just because I didn't do it because of how the glass shattered from lavender.
Well, maybe because it's dangerous, Lambert. Yeah, lavender shattered a bunch of ornaments on the carpet. I'm gonna have to get some plastic ornaments because there's no way the glass ornaments are gonna work. Is it yummy? What are you doing, mate? Everybody looks at me weird. We set up the Christmas tree. We usually only do gold. We don't do anything super extra because, like, you know, trees don't do anything but sit there, so.
No.
What's wrong? It is not that serious. It's so good. His eyes are crying. Taste that.
Don't do it.
I can feel my mouth watering up already.
So good. Did you get an onion?
Mm-hmm.
It's good, huh?
These pepper.
Pepper.
Ew.
So it wasn't good.
No.
You're tripping. This is the best salad you'll ever eat.
What the hell is that? Mustard, Dijon?
Dijon mustard. Does that look like Dijon mustard?
What
That
is
is
it?
called, it's called hummus.
How the fuck did you put hummus on?
Hummus. It's a Greek salad. I mean, what's more Greek than hummus? So it is 9:48 p.m. and I am still editing. This day 3 vlog is going to be long. And I don't think day 4 is going to be really eventful because I've been at work and Devin didn't vlog at all. I'm like very tired and I have to go to work tomorrow morning. So I don't know about tomorrow either. Hopefully Dev vlogs. He made us our daily cup of chai. We have chai every single night and we have been having that for years. It's like a ritual. Yeah, unless he's mad at me, he doesn't perform the ritual. It's just warming to the soul. You're not my friend.
Yeah, that's laughing.
What are you doing? Marley. So I'm about to take my bath and call it a night, y'all. It's like almost 11 o'clock and I just finished editing the vlog and Devin is watching it to make sure that it's a good vlog, something entertaining. So I hope you guys enjoy it because I spent a lot of time on it and I'm very tired. I hope everybody had a blessed day and I hope you have a blessed night and a blessed morning. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, some positivity, and set your notifications so that you'll know next time I upload.